What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Crypto Novice, your #1 source for everything in the world of cryptocurrency news. However, before we get into the video, I just want to say that I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Do your own due diligence and research and don't invest more than you're willing to lose in cryptocurrency. Now, what are we talking about today on the Crypto Novice? We're talking about Polygon's new open source L2 chain developer stack to support Ethereum ZK and powered layer 2s. Polygon's chain development kit allows developers to freely build, customize, and deploy layer 2 chains connected to the wider Ethereum ecosystem. The Ethereum ecosystem could welcome a variety of new layer 2 L2 protocols built on Polygon's newly released open source codebase chain development kit, which harnesses zero-knowledge proof technology to ensure security and fast finality. Now, Jordi Baylina, co-founder and technical lead for Polygon, spoke to Cointelegraph exclusively, which is publicly available on GitHub repository. If you're new to the Crypto Novice, hit the subscribe button down below, turn on the bell for all notifications, leave a comment, let us know if there's anything you want us to cover in the world of cryptocurrency news. According to Baylina, a key aspect is that Polygon CDK enables automatic access to liquidity across all of Polygon's chains, as well as the wider Ethereum ecosystem, dividing an on-demand scale without fragmenting liquidity. The Ethereum developer pointed to a number of different projects building CDK-powered chains across a variety of use cases, including payment-specific L2s, decentralized finance, gaming, social-specific platforms, and creator of non-fungible token platforms. Baylina also highlighted the customizability of CDK for different app chains, featuring customizations for rollup or Validium mode, ZK EVM, or another ZK-powered execution environment, various data availability solutions, native token and gas token customization, centralized or decentralized, sequencer modes, as well as permissioned networks with granular allow lists. The importance of ZK proof technology is another factor, Baylina stressed, highlighting Polygon Labs' belief that zero knowledge is the future of scaling Ethereum, as the Hermes ZK EVM lead explains. Chains launched with Polygon CDK are automatically connected to a shared ZK bridge and plugged into a interop layer, which is a cross-chain communication protocol. So Baylina said the technology unlocks sub-minute cross-chain transactions and creates the perception of a single chain environment. Cointelegraph also asked about the key differences between CDK and other Ethereum ecosystem programming languages like ZK Proof Pioneer, Starkware's Cairo codebase. Baylina went on to explain that the architecture unlocked by Polygon CDK is different in that it enables automatic access to shared liquidity through a ZK bridge and interlocked layer of an L2 ecosystem secured by working ZK proofs. He finished by reaffirming that the belief in ZK proofs as the future of Ethereum scalability, given its fast finality and withdrawal times, when compared with week-long delays by fraud proofs that feature optimistic roll-up L2 solutions. ZK makes better bridges but also secures chains by rigorous math without a need for social economic components required by fraud proofs. That's going to do it for this edition of the Crypto Novice. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video, leave a comment. Let us know if there's anything you want us to cover in the world of cryptocurrency news. We'll see you in the next video.